Have you ever been in the middle of a significant bug report while you were in the middle of coding and on the cusp of making a breakthrough? Or perhaps you feel the need to switch gears and take on a different project, but you don't want to forfeit the progress you've made up to this point. Git stash is a developer's magic trick for temporarily shelving your work, and it is something that comes into play this way. Nevertheless, what happens if you are in the midst of a merger? Are you able to put that away as well? Coders, fasten your seatbelts, because today we are going to delve into the intriguing realm of Git stash, and we are going to discover an unexpected truth: stashing. The allure of the stash, version control hero. Imagine your codebase as a bustling city, constantly under construction. New features sprout like skyscrapers, bug fixes patch up cracks in the foundation, and refactoring projects pave the roads for smoother workflows. Git, the ultimate version control system, meticulously tracks every change, every brick laid, every line of code written. But what if you need to pause construction on one block for a bit? Enter the git stash command. It's like taking a snapshot of your current worksite, complete with unfinished buildings and scattered materials. You can then switch gears, fix that pesky bug, or tackle the new project, knowing your in-progress masterpiece is safely tucked away. How does stashing work? Think of a stash as a temporary storage locker. When you run git stash, Git essentially freezes your current working directory and the index, staging area for commits, into a single, self-contained unit. This unit, called a stash, is then stored away for later retrieval. Now, your working directory is clean. It's like you cleared the construction site. You're free to work on other things without worrying about losing your progress on the stashed project. When you're ready to pick up where you left off, a simple git stash pop command retrieves your stashed work, restoring it to the working directory and index. The merge mishap: why stashing merges goes wrong. So, with this superpower at your fingertips, it's tempting to think you can stash anything, right? Wrong. Merges, the delicate dance of combining code changes from different branches, present a unique challenge. Here's why stashing a merge is a recipe for disaster. Merge state isn't a snapshot. A stash captures the current state of your working directory and index. But a merge involves more than just files. It includes metadata about the ongoing merge process. This information, like which parts of the code have conflicts, isn't something Git can store in a traditional stash. Stash pop confusion: when you pop a stashed merge, Git tries its best to reapply the changes, but it doesn't understand the conflict resolution process. You might end up with a jumbled mess, where conflicting code snippets are merged haphazardly, creating an uncompilable nightmare. Alternatives to stashing merges. So, what are your options when you need to switch tasks amidst a merge? Here are a few strategies. Commit your local changes. If your local changes on the current branch are independent of the merge, consider committing them first. This creates a clean snapshot and allows you to stash without conflicts. Remember to address the merge after popping the stash. Create a merge branch. This is the preferred approach. Use git checkout b merge branch to create a temporary branch specifically for handling the merge. Work on resolving conflicts within this branch, and then merge it back into your main branch when it's ready. Stashing is a powerful tool for managing your workflow, but it has its limitations. When dealing with merges, it's best to stick to the tried-and-true methods to avoid code chaos.